Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find bounce rate in Google Analytics 4. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Analytics, I need you to click the Create Account option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, finding and understanding bounce rate in Google Analytics 4 can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your website and, of course, your user engagement. Once you are here on the dashboard, I need you to hover to the left side where it says Reports. And from here, as you can see, this is going to be the user behavior, wherein you can see the information such as users, and a lot more. Now, I need you to click the pencil icon here at the upper right corner for you to be able to customize the report. But the thing is, you need some access permissions or privileges for you to be able to do this. So if you don't have the authorization or privileges, you might want to ask the admin owner of the Google Analytics account for you to be able to do it. Once you're here, all you have to do is click on the Customize Report. And I need you to hover where it says, but before you hover to click the pencil icon, you make sure you are on the business objectives and under examine user behavior under pages and screen, because you would be able to see the behavior of all the users and those who click your websites. And again, just hover to customize report. And from here, I need you to go to metrics and I need you to click the add metric. All right. Now from here, I need you again to click the add metric, and you need to hover and search for the bounce rate. It should be, there you go. Click on bounce rate and of course, click on apply. But before that, now once you are here, you can of course hover your bounce rate to the top or under views, under users, or views per user. But in my case, I'm going to choose the under users for now. And you need to click on apply because you would be able to see it down here. It'll automatically be added right here, right? So views, users, and bounce rate. And again, if you wanted to adjust the settings here, all you're gonna do is put it under the top, click on apply, and that's that. All right, once you are happy with it, all you're gonna do is save, and you would be able to successfully find the bounce rate in Google Analytics 4. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.